Good morning, Murdoch. Come with us this week as we take a look at what's going on around the school, look at how our sports teams are doing, and give important reminders. All that and more today, Friday, January 28th, 2022.
Welcome back, Devils. To kick off this week's episode, we're going to kick it over to Alex to take a look at the upcoming weather forecast and some snow this weekend.
Thanks, guys. Now here's your upcoming Saturday forecast. Today, in the morning, it'll be mostly cloudy, but at night, it'll be the start of a big snowstorm. Temps being a little 30s and dropping into the negatives. Tomorrow, the snowstorm will still be raging on, and on that day, you can expect either 4 or 8 inches of snow. Temps being in the mid to high teens and dropping into the low teens. Sunday, it might be the end of the snowstorm. Maybe on that day, it'll be sunny. Temps being in the low 20s and dropping into the low teens. Early next week, it'll be mostly sunny for Monday and Tuesday. Temps will be in the low 30s or in the high 20s and dropping into the high teens or low teens. That is all. Back to you, Kelsey and Dan.
Thanks, Alex. Semester 2 begins on Monday. Schedules for next semester will be passed out today. Yesterday we had a flex block after brunch. Students learned how to play chess with Mr. Burney, talked philosophy with Miss Daniels, created Sharpie art with Miss Fry, had a massive mapball tournament with Mr. LeBlanc, played team trivia with Mr. Collins, Mr. Grosset, and Miss Lundgren, cooked chicken paninis with Miss Smith, went snowshoeing with Miss Weinhold, or watched and discussed any number of movies with other teachers.
The next flex block is scheduled for February 18th. Do you have a suggestion for a future flex block activity? Let Mr. Sachoka know when you see him in the halls, or shoot him an email.
This past week, we had a few college acceptances. Congratulations to Angelina White for being accepted to Quinnipiac University and College of Charleston.
The Little Shop of Horrors is coming to the Murdoch Auditorium on February 18th and 19th. Tickets will be on sale soon, but you'll want to mark off your calendar to save the date.
Attention all seniors, Miss Weinhold has posted a list of college scholarships in your graduating Glass-Kugel classroom. She will be adding scholarships that she finds out about, so be sure to check the list on a regular basis and apply. Free money is available, but only if you apply.
Let's take a break from announcements, and let's check in with Mark and Nate to get the latest updates on winter sports. Over to you guys.
Thanks, guys. The basketball team took 2 tough losses against Air Shirley last week, but came back strong this week.
The boys beat West Boylston 50-48 in overtime thanks to Sebastian Guillaume hitting the game-winning three-pointer with 3.2 seconds on the clock. Enjoy both of these camera angles of the winner and enjoy Preston Roberts going crazy.
Their next game is tonight against Bromfield at 7 o'clock at home.
On to some more wins. The hockey team has been continuing their hot streak with a win over Oakmont last week 4-2, with Matt Marshall getting 2 assists and Jason Ingman with a goal.
The boys beat St. Bernard's 4-1, adding on to their win, as they now have won 7 out of their last 8 games.
The boys' next opponent is Chicopee Comp tomorrow at 5:30 in Gardner.
Good luck to both teams for their upcoming games. That's the end of this sports recap. Back to you, Dan and Kelsey.
Thanks, guys. Before we wrap up this week's episode, let's take a look at the answers to this week's question of the week.
Here we have the question of the week.
Here's the question of the week. Does pineapple belong on pizza?
No.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Absolutely not.
Okay, hear me out here. Pineapple absolutely belongs on pizza. Get a spicy Hawaiian, pineapple, prosciutto, caramelized jalapenos, a little honey drizzle. Absolutely.
Not a chance. I can't have pizza.
No. No.
No.
Well, tomatoes is a fruit, so yeah.
No. Do you think pineapples belong on pizza?
No, they don't.
No. No.
Absolutely.
Yes, it does.
100,000% yes.
Do you think pineapples belong on pizza?
No, I do not.
Thank you. That is all.
So Dan, what's your opinion about pineapple on pizza?
I know it's really controversial, but I really think it works. What do you think?
I think pineapple on pizza is good.
Good.
Well, that's going to do it for this week's episode of Blue Devil Weekly, but be sure to stay updated with what's going on at Murdoch by following us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at MurdochHS.
And if you aren't already subscribed to our channel, be sure to, as well as click the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. Stay frosty, Devils, and we'll see you next week.